Has anyone else had any golden arty ideas? Let's find out.
Hundreds of years ago, art and craft shops had not been invented. This meant that artists had to make all of their own brushes, gloopy glue, and even paint. But there was one colour that no one could create, and that was the colour gold.
Oh, I am so bored of painting everything grey.
Then one day, someone came up with a brilliant idea.
I've just had a brilliant idea.
That's just what I said.
Yeah, all right.
He hammered a piece of gold into a thin sheet over many hours. It was so thin, the slightest breeze could have blown it away. This thin gold would soon become known as gold leaf. To make it stay in place, a layer of special clay was painted on first. The gold leaf was then stuck on top to make a fantastic golden effect.
It's as good as gold.
And people still use gold leaf for special pictures and furniture today.
So that's where gold leaf comes from. I always thought it fell off gold trees in autumn.